Okay, so how do you remove the visor of the Ls2 Valiant helmet? You can see here is a Ls2 Valiant. It's really hard, and I actually bought this helmet on a trip when I was in Argentina, in Buenos Aires. And the guys over there are really smart and they have a really clever way to remove it. So they basically use here a pen, you see? You might want to look for a pen of this shape. You can see there. Okay, so you put it here, zoom in. You put it in the outer part of the plastic pin like this. See? And then just press hard and it should come out. There you go. Do you see? It came out. And you can easily remove your helmet with a use of a pen. I hope this video is useful for you guys who are really struggling with this. Thank you.